Hi there, and welcome to another episode of Laptop Retrospective. And today we're going to be examining one of the principal uses or reasons that people are buying Surface products, and that's actually for note-taking. Now, to help simulate the common environment that we would often see note-taking occurring in, it's going to be in a university lecture setting, and that's kind of our worst case scenario. You have a desk that is very narrow, and I'm going to be using this placemat to simulate this, and it's about the width of, let's say, 2.5 ballpoint pens, so that's fairly narrow. It's one of the ones that you flip up and fold over. However, your situation might be better. If it's much worse than that, I certainly hope you're not paying too much tuition for that seat. Anyway, just to illustrate, how quickly or slowly one could, say, replace traditional note-taking with the device, I have some information off screen that I'm going to practice writing out, and then I have my bag off camera here just over on the side, loaded with a clipboard and also loaded with my Surface Book 2. And what I'll do is I'll add time codes to the video that you can see on screen to see the differences between getting ready, packing up, and writing, and all that other good stuff. So, I won't be using this pen, so I'll put it over there. Hands on the table. 3, 2, 1, go. Reach over into my bag, pull out my clipboard, open it up. Let's see, I gotta find a blank sheet of paper here, and my note is 5 cents off per liter on your next fuel purchase. Okay. And we'll call it a stop there. And then, of course, when I'm done, I throw my pen over, and I can fold my paper up, and we're good to go. I can put this back in my bag. So let's see how well we do with the Surface Book 2. So 3, 2, 1. So I gotta reach into my bag. I have to pull out the tablet, which sits nicely on the desk. I need to open it up, do Windows Hello. I'm going to eject the tablet, and in this particular instance, because we want to save space, I'm going to flip it around. And I've got my lines. 5 cents off per liter on your next fuel purchase. And I'm done. Close that. Open up the tablet. Wait for it to recognize it's been reattached. There we go. And close. And away in the bag. 3, 2, 1, go. So, take out the Surface Book, open it up, Windows Hello, eject the tablet. Pen wasn't quite on there, and in this particular instance I'm going to take the keyboard and just stuff it in my bag. I don't want it in tablet mode. Hit the top of my pen, and 5 cents off per liter on your next fuel purchase. So again, some real advantages to be had with that system. Is it going to replace paper for you? Well, that's up for you to decide. There's certainly advantages. You never have to worry about running out of paper. You can decide in the program if you want it lined, unlined, gridded, whatever. You don't need to worry about forgetting that one sheet of paper, that one type of paper. And of course, if your environment is okay with it, you can also take pictures of diagrams on the board and then annotate them live as well. So there's lots of different things that you can do. So if you enjoy this sort of content, please consider subscribing to see more uses and interesting tricks, pros and cons of this particular line of technology and any others that we cover on the channel. I'll see you later.